Dominic Pickard here, Director of Commercial Operations, Pitch Roofing. I wanted to bring some value-added content to our channel today. We're in Clearwater, great backdrop. I see this quite a bit. This is a return client of ours, a GC, who actually contacted us and said, hey guys, I got a really technical build. I'm actually on the top roof. There's 3 levels. Framing could be off a little bit. He was pretty worried. He said, I don't think I have a roofer that can handle this, but I'm pretty confident in Pitch's commercial department. Behind me here, we have all the samples. We're a Versico approved applicator. And like I stressed with this GC client, to us, this is a commercial roof on a residential dwelling. Flashings, screw depth, insulation depth, everything is to code. Everything is to hurricane uplift criteria. All the warranty parameters are the same. And we really bring a lot of relief to the situation. When a GC hands us a building, maybe the decking's off a little bit, maybe some of the walls are off. We don't go back to them and say, hey, we need to reframe it, we need to do this. We customize the roof to fit the custom house. So if new construction low slope is in your needs, call me on my cell phone, 727-687-3364. Be prepared, be with Pitch.